In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import products and how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now I'm going to be showing you step-by-step on how you can start importing products from CJ to Shopify. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify account and then you want to select which store you want to use for this. Okay, now I'm going to import products to this store. I already imported one product, as you can see here. First thing I'm going to show you guys is how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopify so that you can start importing products. So if you receive a sale on anything like that, like CJ will be able, guys, to ship the product and you will provide the tracking number automatically without you doing anything. Okay, the only job you do, guys, is to promote these products on social media like TikTok, Facebook. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds. Now, as you can see here, guys, you just need to create an account on CJ if you haven't done that already. Now, after that, you want to click on authorization. First, you want to click on register or login, like I said, and then after that, you want to click on authorization in the top left here, and then you want to select Shopify. Now, what we are going to do right now is to connect our CJ account to Shopify so that we can start importing products. Now, you want to click on add store, and then you want to click on authorize. Now it will take you, guys, directly to Shopify App Store. You want to download this app. It's the developer name is CJ Dropshipping. So this app is like the maker of this app is the original it came from the CJ itself. Okay, CJ Dropshipping company. That's who made that's the person who made this app. Okay, that's the company, I'm sorry, who made this app. So make sure it says here the developer name. It says here CJ Dropshipping. Click on install. And after that, guys, you want to click again on install. Okay, install again. Now, as you can see, now you have to log into your CJ account. Okay, it will ask you guys to log in again. Now it says here we have logged into this account before, please confirm. Now that's what I'm going to do, guys. For you, you just need to just log in. Okay, now I'm going to click on authorize and then click confirm again, authorize. That's it. Now you have successfully linked your CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now you can start importing products. As you can see, it says authorization success. Make sure it says that after you receive this message, that means you have successfully connected CJ to Shopify. Now what you need to do, guys, next is to find a product that you want to import. If you scroll down, you can see here it says you can list CJ products to your store. Now you want to click on list now, and what you guys need to do, you just need to find a product that you want to list to your Shopify store. So for example, I would like to list a product like this one. Okay, now for example, I'm going to list this one. Just click on the product that you want to import to your Shopify store, and then what you guys need to do next, you want to scroll down, okay, and you want to click on list. Now here you will find here your Shopify store. As you can see here it says here shipping information, ship from China. So if you want, for example, to import products and they are from like the stock is in United States, when you start searching, you have to change this from China. You have to change this when you are searching for products that you are going to import. You need to change it to United States. Okay, if you change it to United States, then it will show you products that are available in United States. Okay, now because I have chosen China, it shows me products that are in stock in China. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I mean. Now it says here the ship from, it's already buried. I'm not able to click it because I selected it at the beginning. Now these products are coming from China and they are going to be shipped to United States. Now the reason why I chose always China is because they offer very cheap prices compared to choosing the location in United States. Okay, here it says here ship my or most orders to select United States, because most dropshippers on Shopify, they target United States. Now here it is shipping method. You want to select CJ sensitive packet, or you can select CJ packet liquid USA. It depends on how much for the shipping. As you can see, the shipping cost is going to be $9 and the delivery time is 18 days. Now if you select another shipping method, like for example CJ fast USA, it offers very fast shipping, 6 to 10 days. Okay, I like go with the faster shipping. Always select the one that has low estimated delivery time, which is 6 days to 10 days, as you can see in my case. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to scroll down, and here where it says product type, you just need to enter product type. For example, this product is about let me check. Yeah, product, for example, like gift. Okay, then click confirm, and then here where it says vendor, click here, just click test, for example, click confirm, and you can select collections. I will go with the homepage. Scroll down, and here you need to add the price of the item. Now if you are wondering what you are seeing right now, here it says here the total dropshipping cost. Now the total dropshipping cost, like the cost, it means like the cost of the product and the cost of the shipping and the service fee, everything, okay, that CG will charge you guys each time you sell this item inside your Shopify store. Now the total dropshipping cost for this product is going to be $18. Now you need to increase the price higher than that so that you can make some profit. For example, $30. Okay, here this one, because they have like different variations, this product has different variations, like the colors are different, so the prices are different for each product. Now the first one is $18, the second one is $29. So $20 I'm going to increase it, for example, to $50, because I am still going to pay for advertising, so that they can advertise this product on Facebook or TikTok. I recommend guys to take advantage of TikTok, because like organic free traffic, like on Facebook there are a lot of competitors right now. So here where it says here the $29, I'm going to charge, for example, $50. Yeah, that's exactly what you guys need to do. So I'm going to charge 50 for all the products that are all the you know, the products that have the price of like $29. Okay, now I changed it to $50. Now what you guys need to do next, you can also add the price here, and it will apply the price to all the different variations. Okay, it will apply the exact same price here. If you, for example, if you just add here 50 and you click OK, it will add the same price to all the products, colors, or all the different variations that you are seeing here. Okay, it's, as you can see, pink, purple, red, pink again. Now that's it. You want to click on list it now. Now this product is going to be listed to your Shopify store. The only thing you do guys is you just need to find a way to advertise this product inside your Shopify. Now after you receive a sale, you need to go to Shopify and you need to go to CJ Dropshipping, and you need to add the money so that they can ship that product to the customer, and you will provide the tracking number. You don't really need to worry about how you can add money to CJ Dropshipping. All you need to worry about is to find like a platform where you can advertise this product. Now after you receive a sale, make sure you add your payment method to Shopify and stuff like that. And after you receive a sale, you will find that money in your Stripe or PayPal account. It depends on what you are using. And after that, you can take that money and go to CG and add the money there, and then they will use that money to ship the product automatically to the customer. Okay, you can add, for example, $100, and after you when you, like, for example, when you receive 4 sales, you will have to add another $100. That's what I mean exactly. If you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments in this video right now. I will reply to you guys. Drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.